Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we will be learning how to circle crop in Canva. To circle crop an image in Canva is super easy. First of all, open your Canva application on your mobile device and make sure to open up a recent design where you can easily add an image. After opening up a design in Canva, go ahead and tap on the Uploads button at the bottom of the screen in order to upload an image. From the list of available templates, or you can also go ahead and upload an image from your device's camera roll that you want to fit into a circle. Here I've opened up this image. Now you can go ahead and resize the image by dragging its corners and adjusting it in the position within the frame. After you are done with it, go to the bottom of the screen and look for Elements tab and tap on it. Now within the Elements tab, go ahead and choose the Frame option. Now, from the Frame option, click on the Circle frame. Once you've chosen the circle frame and it has been added onto your design, go ahead and place the circle by dragging it and placing it on a desired location. And now select the image layer that you've previously added. Simply drag the image towards the circle and you will be able to see that it will automatically crop into the circle shape. Now you can move the circle around the screen and place it on a desired location, resize it, reposition it, and there you have it. You have easily circle cropped an image in Canva. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.